I just received the T-Mobile LG G3 in the mail today, upgrading it from the Samsung S4. So let's see what this baby does. Okay, let me put the phone out for a second. As you can see, this is my first video ever of unboxing anything or video of anything. And I apologize for the black screen that you're seeing for a few seconds. Okay, I guess. Oh my gosh. Alright, so let's see. Doesn't look like the battery's separate on this phone. Let's see what's inside the box. SIM card, don't really need. Start guide. It's a micro SIM card anyway. Start guide. Cable. Plug. And battery. I guess headphones are not included. Let me turn this baby on. Hold on 1 minute again. I apologize. Taking the SIM card out of my Samsung S4 T-Mobile. As you can see, I'm not a professional in making videos. To open the phone, it's right here, the little piece where you stick your finger in. It's on the right hand bottom. Snap it open. There's a memory card slot. SIM card goes there with it. Hold on. Where did I put my SIM card? Slide it inside. Right there. Memory card goes right on top. And the battery is in. I think I have to buy a stand for my phone to do the video recording. Let me see. And the power button is on the back of the phone. So it's on. There was a debate between the G3 or the S5. And a lot of people said that if you have the S4, upgrading to the S5 isn't much of a difference. Which is true because my wife has the S5 and I mean it's a greater phone than the S4, but not much of a difference. And I guess just feeling the phone and it's not much of an upgrade difference. Probably, let me see. Okay, it's turning on. do this for now. Let me punch it in. Give me 1 second, guys. Apologize again, as this is my first time doing any kind of video. I'm sure as I keep doing these unboxings, I will get better at it. Oh, LG has an account too, like Samsung. So let me sign up for it. Let me take this off. Can't see anything. I agree to all below. Next. I think my battery is gonna die on this phone that I'm recording with. I'm using a Nokia 1020 powered by AT&T. Let me just sign up real quickly, guys. The phone does, I don't know, I thought it would be feeling heavier. It's not as heavy as I thought it would be. Okay, my password is too long, so let me go change it real quickly. Okay, signing on right now. Signal strength is not that bad because I'm in the basement, and usually in the basement, the bar I will only have one on my Samsung, but with the LG for some reason I get two. Press OK. Set your phone's name, G3. Set lost phone number. Set lost phone contact. Oops. Oh man, what the heck did I do? Okay, asking to set the NOT code. Now it's asking me to enter a backup pin in the event that I forget what my NOT code is. Asking you how you want your home buttons. I'll probably take the default. Looks good. Okay, close. And welcome. It looks good. Now I have to go set my emails and everything. But this is your LG G3 phone powered by T-Mobile. As you can see, all the buttons are the back. So I guess it's something that I probably... Okay, I clicked it, turned it off. Click it again, it's on. What else buttons are in the back? I think that's it. And then the volume rockers are on the back also. So you would have to press on top of the power button or below for the volume control. And volume, hit it again, turn on. Nope, it's not like, oh, it's in the knock code, I forgot. And it's open. Oh, the knock code is pretty cool. Press the home button. Oh yeah, I have to connect that later. And this is the unboxing of your T-Mobile LG G3. I know the video could have been better, but this is my first time of doing any kind of video. So I apologize, but I could guarantee that as I continue to do the unboxings of other products, it will get better. Well, thank you and have a good night.